Happy birthday, Cholos! Cholos! Happy birthday, Cholos!
Happy birthday, Tito Jerus. See you all Christmas. Bye.
Hi, Jerus. How are you? Happy birthday to you. God bless and good luck. Bye.
Hi, Jerus. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And I'm wishing you all the best. Lalong-lalo na yung happiness na yun. Okay? And enjoy your day. It's your day today. And so, yeah. Happy birthday, Lord. Bye. See you soon. Hi, Jerus. Happy birthday sa'yo. I'm wishing you all the best. Sana maging maligaya ka sa birthday mo. Kaya malahap. Happy birthday, Jerus. Happy birthday, Jerus. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jerus. On behalf of Shane, ayan, binati na kita kasi wala siya dito. So, ayun. Ayun siya. Ito ako. So, yun. Happy birthday, Ray.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerusalem. Ang haba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Annie. This is for you. Anyway, we're here at Tomas Morato. Di ba, binyag ng birthday, binyag ng baby ni Dindy. So, may chance kami makipag buo ng video for you. So, enjoy the rest of the day. I'm sorry I can't be there, unfortunately. Pero, kaya mo next year, in God's will, kakasama din tayo. Happy birthday, honey. You know, I love you so much. And I just wish you good health and more happiness. And sana mag-ingat ka lagi kasi wala ako dyan. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy the rest of the day and have fun. It's your special day. Happy birthday, honey. I love you.